I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jollibee-style gravy. First, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, stirring constantly to create a smooth roux. Cook this mixture for about 1 minute until it turns a light golden brown, ensuring no lumps remain. This forms the base of our delicious gravy. Next, gradually pour in 2 cups of beef broth, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. Keep whisking until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. Bring the gravy to a gentle simmer over medium heat, allowing it to thicken slightly. This step is crucial for developing a rich and consistent texture. Now it's time to season our gravy. Stir in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, which adds a wonderful umami depth, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper for a subtle kick. Continue to simmer the gravy, stirring occasionally until it reaches your desired thickness. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes, resulting in a rich, pourable consistency. Finally, taste your gravy and adjust any seasonings if necessary. You might want to pinch more salt or pepper to suit your preference. Remove the gravy from the heat and let it rest for a couple of minutes. It will thicken slightly more as it cools. Serve this warm, homemade Jollibee-style gravy generously over your favorite fried chicken or mashed potatoes. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.